Is teacher masculine or feminine? Are you confused? Don't worry, let's understand this step by step in a very simple way. Today we are going to learn about the gender in English grammar. Now what is a gender? Gender tells us whether a noun is a male, female or both or a thing. Gender is only used for the types of noun. For example, boy. Here boy is a male, girl is a female, teacher male or female. As we can say that the teacher can be a male teacher or a female teacher. So the word teacher can be the male or female, and table, a word like a table or anything else like table, chair, it can be of anything. It is a thing. So gender helps us understand the type of noun, which type of noun it is. As the boy is a male, girl is a female, teacher may be the male or female, and table is a thing. So they all are of different types. So we can say that they are of different gender. Now let us learn the types of gender in English grammar. There are basically 4 types of gender. First one is masculine, second one is feminine, third one is common gender, and fourth one is a neuter gender. We will understand each type one by one with easy examples. Okay? So let's start with a masculine gender. Now first one is a masculine gender. Masculine gender is used for a male of person or animal. It may be a person or animal. It is of male type. Words that show a male are called the masculine gender. Okay? For example, man, boy, king, father, uncle, lion, actor, or maybe anything that are of male type that come under the masculine gender. Okay, clear? Have any problem? If yes, then comment here. Second one is the feminine gender. Feminine gender is used for the female person or animal. It is mainly used for the female person or animal. So as a name such as feminine, feminines come from the female, or you can say that female come from the feminine. Okay, for examples, woman, girl, queen, mother, aunt, lioness, actress, all come under the feminine gender, or anything else that denotes that it's a female, that will come under the feminine gender. Okay, now don't confuse between masculine and feminine. Now we will do the masculine and feminine exercise. Here is the masculines are given, we have to write here the feminine. So tell me what is the feminine of king? That is the queen. Boy, girl, father, mother, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, actor, actress, prince, princess. Okay, that shows the male gender. Masculine and feminine shows the female gender, person or animal. Okay, so like this way we have to do the king, queen, boy, girl, father, mother, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, actor, actress, prince, princess. The next is the common gender. Common gender is used for both male or female. Male or female, we can say that it's a common gender. We cannot identify whether it's a male or female, so we use here the common gender. For examples, The common gender is not clear. For example, teacher. Teacher can be a male teacher or a female, like sir or ma'am. What we say, na? So basically, what we say this is he is a teacher or she is a teacher. Doctor. Doctor can also be a male or female. Friend. A friend can be a male or a female. Just we say that he is my friend or she is my friend. If we denote here the he or she, then only we can identify that he is a masculine or a feminine. Child. Child can be also a common gender. Parent will come under the common gender. Any one of the parent can come. Cousin. Cousin can be also be a male or a female. Here gender is not clear. Okay. Gender is not clear here. The last one is the neuter gender. Neuter gender is used for the things or the non-living things. For examples, book, pen, chair, table, car, gold, water. These are the things or the non-living things. They come under the neuter gender. That is, they are not a female or not a female. Okay. We cannot identify it whether it's a male or a female because these are the non-living things. So they all come under the neuter gender. There are some important rules of the gender. Things have no gender. That means no male and no female. That is, it's a neuter gender. No means neuter gender. Animals have genders if mentioned. If we mention that it's a male or female, then only we are able to identify that it's a masculine gender or it's a feminine gender, right? English uses gender neutral words. English uses gender neutral words. For examples, policeman. It's not policeman, it's a police officer. What we have to say? It's a police officer. Fireman, not fireman, it's a firefighter. It's a firefighter. Okay, these are the gender neutral words. Now there are some practice questions. King, write the this is the masculine is given. You have to write the feminine for the king. Actress, write the masculine for actress. Teacher, write which gender it is. Table, write its gender in the comment box. Okay, or practice it so that if there will be any confusion, you can read it again or you can watch this video again. Okay, your confusion will be cleared by watching this video. Thank you. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel Friendly with English. Thank you.